Hello everyone and welcome to the Future Web. We are excited to have you here. In today's video, we'll walk you through the basics of cloud design and show you how to get started with it. This video is a recording from one of our AI team sessions. So if anything is unclear or you have any questions along the way, feel free to leave a comment below. We will happy to help. So now let's get started.
Now, while this builds, I'm actually going to hand the spotlight over to Manny because I want Manny to show us one thing that he's got the most experience in, and you've all got access to this, and it's Claude Design. So see down here on the left-hand side, Claude has a design aspect. Some of you will never use this, and that's cool. But Manny, do you want to show us how we can get the most out of Claude Design?
All right. Let me share my screen. Yes. Can you guys see?
Yep.
All right. So, okay, this is the first screen we can see when we open Cloud Design. So we can open it on the web as well as on the desktop Cloud application. So, and we don't need to separate logins for Cloud Design. It is a part of Cloud we already have. So first thing, simple chat box like a Claude code, but on the left bottom we have some additional tools which we can use for creating the Claude design on Claude Design. So let me start from this first thing, which is this plus icon. So to attach any file, anything we have already have for the context given to Claude Design. Again, so we can attach any folder, design folder which we are working on, any reference projects, previous projects on the Cloud Design, like we have these, and then here we can connect to GitHub. So for like code, and we can upload the Figma file as well, and from here we can select design system. I will explain the what design system and the skills. So skills are basically like we have different skills, SEO skills, designing skills. So we can create our own skills as well as we can use the existing skills. Let's suppose I want to create a design. I will select this front-end design skills. So it will create more accurate. It will work more accurate for the design purpose. And when I will want to create any video, any kind of animation video, I will select this skills. So Claude Design already know how to work for animation video. So these are the skills. We can add more skills, but we can add skills from our Claude like app. So next we have again connectors, same like Robbie explained, or we can connect all these kind of tools with the Claude Design. So here we have design systems, and basically design systems are like brand guidelines. So when we are designing a website or anything, so we will we will feed these some basic information regarding our brand, like color, fonts, anything we have initially. So we can just create a design system first to create any design. So later on, we have to design different pages or anything for that specific project. So we don't need to give basic instructions again and again. Same like this, we have this default organization default design system. Let me show you how we can create design system from start. So from here, I can click on when open this design system tab. We can click on here. So just click on the adding client system plot. We can create through plot code as well as on this here as well. So I'm just click on this one. It will open some like information boxes. I will just say let's suppose the company name, one click, and the some basic information, digital or eating agency. Here, if you want to link the GitHub, so GitHub is again for the code purpose. So we don't have any GitHub account yet for this any project. So I will leave it as it is. Link from folders. So Cloud Design is again work with folder as well on our computer. If I want to create a folder or we have information already added in the folder, I will just select that folder, which include the information regarding our design system. And if we have a design file, Figma file, I can upload it here for design system. And from here, I can select the fonts, the logos, and access whatever I have for the design to create design systems. So I will just leave it as it is. And here, if there is any additional load we want to give to the Claude design system, so and I've just click on continue generations. It will take about 5 minutes to generate. So I will just explain the existing system. It will take 5 minutes. So let's get back to here. For example, we have this design system for legacy media. So I will just click on edit. So once the design system is created, we can see this kind of screen. So here we have a templates, brand, colors, components, spacing, button, and all the information we have given to the design system while it was creating. So basically templates is a landing page. So the landing page we are creating. So this is the basically just for context purpose, and brand guidelines, the logo, colors, each and everything. So basically, this is all this we are seeing is the design system. Buttons, like content, components, which are like all these things, cards, logos, and spacing, body, font, etc. These are all the like information we have already given to. And if you want to, let's suppose, change anything in the design system, we can simply add it as well, like clicking on the components. So just click on this button. It will open up the like screen. From here, we can add it, comment, we changes. Let's suppose I want to change this heading. I will click on this edit, and it will open up the left side a separate control panel kind of things. So from here we have additional details. Let's suppose I want to change. I will just back this, and it will update it, and then just click on the save. So this is like design system is like a scheme for your brand.
So, Manny, can I ask a question?
Yeah, sure.
Because I think this is very relevant for maybe for Kate and Chen specifically. But like, because you girls design new pages with some of the SEO work we're doing. How long does it take you to now design a new landing page? What did it take you previously, and then how long does it take you now?
Yeah, for previously it will take me to create generate first a Figma design. So it will take a couple of hours, and then we have to develop the design page on the websites. Again, 2 to 4 hours, or sometimes more than a day. So now it will just taking up like creating half an hour to 1 hour just for this creating the design system and landing page design. And then after design is ready, I will just pick the design like from here. We can just pick the send to the plot code, and plot code will actually develop. So basically in from for WordPress, it's not like more accurate for WordPress, but we have to make some tweaks after the page has been developed for the WordPress. So from just here, click on send and copy the prompt. Or if you want to start from here or send to Cloud Code Web. So just copy this prompt and go to the Cloud Code and paste it there, and it start working, developing actually the page. Now it's taking like very less time than the previously. From design system, after we have a templates option, so we can select what we want to do, like creating slides, prototypes, wireframes, animation, documents. So whatever we want to do, like we normally, I select this prototype because we create normal designs, but we can create slides and wireframes as well, just structure, not high fidelity designs. And whatever like we are doing, we can select it from here. and then just again we have models options which already you have explained. So we can, if we are doing complex tasks, we can select the complex model. Otherwise, we will normally go with this one, and then we just click start working and it will start designing. And we can even design without the design system, but it will for the later on if we want to change, make another page or another design, so we have to provide the information from the start. And these are all the projects we already have did, and design systems we have created, and then the templates. Basically, these are the basic templates. So if you have any question, you can ask.
So when after you created the design, will it automatically upload it on the website or just in Claude? Code?
No, it's not automatically. I will show you an example of the project. Let's suppose I have created this flower home designs. I'm just talking. So after design is ready, so I will share in these options I have. Share to the Claude code, share in PDF, share in HTML. Normally, if we are working with the WordPress thing, so we do like standalone project HTML file. Basically, it will get ready HTML for us, but HTML is not enough for WordPress or like other CMS to work on. We have to adjust the code for working the page properly. So I will normally do to just send it to the Claude code, and Claude code will further enhance this page for WordPress, or if we are working with any custom design code, like the landing page we have done for the legacy media AI webinars type. So we will do just from Cloud Code. It's just create a design for us.
I definitely think we need to try and leverage this as much as possible with what we're doing from the SEO side, which I get it's new, you know what I mean? It's kind of like, oh, like, yeah, but I definitely think it is the path moving forward.
Yeah.
You know, and it's going to reduce your design time by half. And Manny, I'll get you to stop sharing your screen for a sec. Is that Manny's? Okay. Oh.
Sorry.
That's all right. Wildly powerful, but only when we use it.
No more Figma markups.
No more Figma markups. Yeah, no more Figma markups.
Exactly.
It hates Figma markups.
Sorry, say that again, Manny?
Yeah, I was saying like it's also remove the extra time we will spend in the QA. Like after QA, we can just go there and add comments, do the design changes, and then we can just develop the final one.
Yeah, it's also like a thing of, it might not have to go back to the designer. You know what I mean? Like if someone's working with the client, let's just say, for example, Josh's talking to the client and they want 3 things changed, Josh doesn't have to come back and be like, Manny, go change these 3 things, or Kate, we need to change these 3 designs. It becomes a thing of like, okay, done. You know what I mean? And it's all finished from there. So I think that part's really, really cool.